Let's open the box, see what's in here, and learn how to put this together. First things first is you've got your griddle laying out here. You put your wheels on, so let's go ahead and put those on. Just slip this in like so, and then run your bolt through, and then tighten it down like so. And then so next thing, according to the instruction, is the tank hanger assembly. Now this is interesting because there's 6 holes, and I was kind of concerned about some of them. They're not exactly even, so you're trying to kind of wonder, but it's because they actually match up evenly with these, and so these actually go right in here and actually take the screws that come in it along with the nuts and put them on there. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now that we've got that put together, we're going to set that aside. Per the instructions, we're going to open these legs up by lifting this up. Just move our hands out. Then we are going to put our bottom tray in like this, and it goes right in. It fits snugly into place. Then you're going to take what they call a thumb screw, and you're just going to insert that into the holes in the side and screw it in. It's already got a pre-welded nut on the inside of this tray. Okay, so now on the other side of this tray, remember you're going to put this tank assembly over here on this side to hold the tank up. So you're going to take this, put it on the outside, and screw it through both the tank assembly as well as this bottom tray. And then there's one long bolt included in your pack. You're going to take that and stick it through here and tighten that up. That completes that step. Next step is to take your side table and actually insert it into these holes. So, then take these small thumb screws and put them under here and screw that in. Put your handle on, and it goes on this side. You've got 4 short screws that go on, and at this point you're going to have 4 nuts left. At least you should have 4 of them left. And you just tighten those down and finish it off with a Phillips 4-way screwdriver on this end to tighten them down completely. Okay, so the next step is to take that AA battery and place it right in that ignition hole, that switch, and then just take that and just screw it right down on top of it for your igniter. And then to take your knobs, and there's only one way to do it. You can't get this one wrong, and just push them in like so. Okay, so that leaves us with the grill top. So we just take that and put it onto the body like this. There's 4 corresponding holes. It says to get a helper. My helper's videoing, so. And then we're going to take the drip pan and just slide it right there. Next is to put your tank on, and if you look under here, there's actually a hook, and you hook it right over that and actually slide it down onto that tank assembly, and it'll sit there like so. And then take your hose and tighten that up to your tank, and you're done. Now that you've got your griddle together, it's super easy to put together. It's time to season the griddle top, and so you want to do that by starting out by turning your burners on high, and then just firing it up, and then giving it, according to the instructions, 10 to 15 minutes to let it get really hot. And then we'll come back to that after it gets really hot. So I've had it going for about 12 or 13 minutes, but it looks like it's definitely hot. So when you put some oil, that says it doesn't matter what kind of oil, and use some paper towels and some tongs. And it recommends a few tablespoons for this size. So I'm just going to guesstimate and pour it on a few places like that. Then you take your tongs, I guess, to keep from getting burned, and begin to spread that out over the entire grill. Make sure to cover all the areas of the grill, even the corners and the sides, really good with that oil, and let it burn off. And then repeat the process a few more times. Okay, so now the true test of whether this thing is right, good, or whatever is to throw some burgers or some type of food on there and see how it turns out. And then get your taste testers and see what they think of it. So I'm here with the taste tester, Jonan. So, Jonan, what do you think about that burger?
Good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
So, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you make a decision on buying a griddle or even putting your griddle together to give you a visual. Have a great day.